My name is Austin and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about how to create a YouTube channel itself. So let's go. So first of all, you go to your Google Chrome browser, whichever the browser you are using, and open for a new tab. Then go ahead to YouTube. So first of all, what you need to have a Google account. So email, basically your Google account, so that you can create a YouTube channel in it. So go ahead and create your Google account and go back to YouTube, log in with your email account or whatever the Google account you have, and just head back to, let's click to top right corner. You'll see your profile picture, and for myself, I do have a channel already that is called Msafi Online. So we need to create one for the sake of my viewers. So for me to create another one, I'm going to go to this place called switch account, and already I've got two YouTube channels. So I want to create another one. So because I have 3 emails over here, you can see I have this one, I have this one, and this one. So let's try to create another one in this my Google account. So that is my Google account. So let's go back. Sorry. Nope. Let's head there, but first the same process, switch account, and then after view all channels, so I want to view all channels. So already we have 2 channels, 1, 2. So I want to create another one. It's very simple. So we're going to call it let me say, for example, Austin, because that is my name, and handle, let's put it, let us leave it at Austin. Okay, so let's add a chain. Nope, let's take that one, whatever they want. Then create a channel. So let's wait for what they're going to say. And after creating a channel, customize your channel, which means you're going to put more details on your channel. So for example, a profile picture over here, your name, how you want it to appear, then your handle, then a description on how you want your channel, or what describe what you're doing on the channel. Then add an email address, whichever the email address you want to use. Then now this video watermark helps a lot. So when you want to when somebody has watched your video and he or she want to download it, so the video will come with a watermark, that maybe a watermark you put your logo or your name. Yeah, it's helped a lot. That is to prevent what we call copyright. So after doing all this, just go ahead and click publish, and boom, you have your channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.